Okay, and welcome back. I hope that your paper one went really well. What I've done here is, using the high frequency topics, I've highlighted in pink the questions that came up. Now, that doesn't mean that they're not going to come up again. Like, I would definitely say that indices will come up again. Maybe some form of percentages, etc. Please have a look through at what has come up, and then what I've done is I have put together a list here of predicted paper 2H topics in order of frequency. So you'll be able to see here, for sure, circle theorems is going to come up. That hasn't come up in paper 1, and there is a circle theorems question at least once a year from the past few years. Now, this is a prediction. I have no clue if this is actually going to be true or not. However, using the past topic analysis, we can see what is more likely to come up. Expanding free brackets has come up every year, pretty much, and it hasn't come up this year. So this is a highly likely level 1. Same with speed, distance, time. Percentage increase, decrease. What I mean by that as well is reverse percentages. So when they say something's in a sale is 70%, the price of it being 70% is this amount, etc. Averages in the range, we haven't seen any problem solving, all from a frequency, a grouped frequency table. So definitely look into that. Now, the ones in green are the ones which I would recommend if you're definitely aiming for that grade 6, 7. And then if you're aiming for the grade 9s, I would have a look at the topics in orange as well. I have made some predicted papers based on these topics. I don't suggest that you use them for all of your revision. They're just good if you want to. You still need to make sure that you are revising things. And then, as you can see here, the list, I've gone down and highlighted what has come up in paper 1. Right, good luck for paper 2, year 11s. Oh, this list as well is the second half of the list. Again, where I've just highlighted, like, some things don't really come up often at all, like enlargement, actually doing a transformation on the higher papers. I think it has on foundation before. So yeah, this is the second list. What I suggest you do as well is I will be uploading some extra papers and some walkthroughs. However, this is just something for now for you.